AWS Amazon Workspaces. Description: Amazon Workspaces is a fully managed desktop computing service that provides users with secure, cloud-based desktops. It allows organizations to provision and manage virtual desktops for their employees, providing a flexible and scalable solution for various use cases. Prerequisites: an AWS account is required to access and use Amazon Workspaces. A virtual private cloud VPC with a subnet is necessary to host the Workspaces instances. The subnet should have appropriate network configuration for communication with the Workspaces and other AWS services. An ING role specifically designed for Workspaces is required to manage and access the service. This role should have the necessary permissions to create, manage, and access Workspaces resources. Use cases: secure desktop environment. Amazon Workspaces provides a secure and isolated desktop environment for employees, protecting sensitive data and applications from potential threats. Centralized desktop management: administrators can centrally manage and control Workspaces from a single console, simplifying provisioning, updates, and security configurations. Cost-effective desktop solution: organizations can leverage the pay-as-you-go pricing model of Workspaces, reducing capital expenditure on hardware and software. It also allows for scalability based on demand, optimizing resource allocation and costs. Steps: create a Workspaces directory. A Workspaces directory is a container that holds the user accounts, applications, and other settings associated with your Workspaces. It serves as a central management point for your Workspaces environment. Configure Workspaces: this involves defining the configuration for your Workspaces, including the operating system, storage capacity, compute resources, and other settings. Launch Workspaces. Once the Workspaces directory and configuration are set up, you can launch the Workspaces instances, which will create the virtual desktops for users. Connect to Workspaces: users can connect to their Workspaces using the provided client software, allowing them to access their applications, files, and settings. Challenges and fixes: performance issues. Workspaces may experience performance issues due to factors like network latency, insufficient compute resources, or application resource demands. Optimize Workspace configuration: adjust settings like the compute type, storage volume size, and network bandwidth to improve performance. Increase bandwidth: ensure adequate network bandwidth for seamless streaming of data and applications. Use a faster internet connection. A faster internet connection can significantly improve performance, especially if you are experiencing latency issues. Reduce the number of applications running simultaneously. Closing unnecessary applications can free up resources and improve overall performance. Optimize applications for cloud performance. Some applications might not be optimized for cloud environments. Consider using cloud-native or optimized versions of your applications. Connection problems: users may face connectivity issues due to network problems, client software issues, or incorrect configuration. Check network connectivity. Verify internet connectivity and ensure that the Workspaces client software can reach the Workspaces instances. Verify Workspaces client settings. Check the client software configuration and ensure it's properly connected to the Workspaces directory and instances. Check firewall settings. Ensure that the firewall settings on your device and network allow communication with the Workspaces service. Restart the Workspaces client. Restarting the Workspaces client can sometimes resolve connection issues. Update the Workspaces client. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Workspaces client software. Security concerns. Security is paramount in a cloud environment. Implementing appropriate security measures is essential. Enable security groups. Use security groups to restrict inbound and outbound network traffic to your workspace's instances. Limiting unauthorized access. Implement multi-factor authentication. MFA adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide multiple forms of authentication, such as a password and a code from a mobile device. Use strong passwords and enforce password policies. Implement password policies to enforce strong passwords and prevent the use of common or weak passwords. Regularly patch and update the operating system. Keeping the operating system up to date is crucial for security as it patches vulnerabilities that could be exploited by attackers. Use encryption for data in transit and at rest. Ensure that data is encrypted both while it is being transmitted over the network and when it is stored on the workspace's instance. Cost optimization. Optimizing costs is essential for any cloud service. Amazon Workspaces offers several options for reducing costs. Utilize spot instances. Spot instances offer significant cost savings compared to